Hello, I'm Dr. Nisa Khan. It's time to announce our next live workshop around the topic of real and natural physics and mathematics. Our upcoming workshop will be held live on Friday, May 29th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Our last workshop this April was on digging into the roots of arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, and calculus, literally. Yes, roots of all mathematics are rooted in real roots. And in order to understand how anything originates, we need to start with the origin of an egg, not a chicken. Our upcoming workshop will be on, do people or AI think currently when they do mathematics? Of course, at the heart of this discussion is comprehending what thinking is, isn't it? If you use a math formula or an axiom without knowing how to prove it using practical means and valid justification, are you thinking when you do such axiomatic mathematics? In that light, I present one of my important challenges that comes with a very big wager. Namely, how did Einstein or Poincaré or Minkowski prove E equals mc squared using these cones? How is c squared associated with these cones? Back to the topic of the upcoming workshop. Do people or AI think currently when they do mathematics? So if I already know how to do something, does that require any thinking? If producing something entirely is based on 100% known know-hows, has there been any thinking involved at all? We'll discuss how one solves a problem. For example, a math problem. If you already learned how to solve a math problem that appeared on your test, did you do any thinking while you solved the problem? If you said yes, then I would ask, did you think before you answer this question? If you said no, then I'd say you definitely want to join us for a very interesting discussion while Dr. Alan Rayner and I discuss the ingredients necessary for thinking and therefore what we call intelligence. In the meantime, I encourage all my followers in social media to send me your most recent experience in real thinking in the past week. I'll share mine in the workshop on May 29th at 9 a.m. Eastern. Please go to this website to sign up for the workshop. Namaskar.